Everyone is talking about AI replacing jobs every day silently. But here is the truth most people are missing. AI is not destroying the future. It's exposing people who stopped upgrading themselves. If you understand this early, AI won't replace you. Now, what am I trying to say? What I'm trying to say is it will work for you if you are worried about AI taking jobs. Listen to this carefully. Today, I'm going to break down 5 skills that matter in the AI era. Pay close attention to skill number 5. It's the difference between people who survive change and people who get left behind. Let's be clear here. AI replaces repetitive work, replaces routine thinking, and it replaces comfort. But AI does not replace people who know how to direct it. Remember this, AI doesn't replace people. People using AI replace people who don't use AI. So you need to take that seriously and reflect on it. Skill number 1 on the list is prompting and tool usage or prompt engineering. Most people use AI casually. They ask shallow questions and get average answers. Professionals use AI intentionally. They give a clear instruction and think before they type. Companies are already paying people who know how to guide AI systems. You don't need money to start, you need practice. In the age of AI, clarity beats intelligence. I hope you understand that. Number 2, content creation. Content is a leverage, like videos, shorts, blogs, social media, just few to mention. AI can help you create faster, but it cannot replace your perspective. People don't follow perfection, they follow authenticity. If you can hold attention, you control traffic. And the traffic always turns into opportunity. Attention is the new currency worth warriors. You need to know and understand this. Skill number 3 on the list is sales and digital marketing. Every business depends on sales for us. Without it, nothing can move. AI can generate words, but it cannot replace trust, emotion, or even persuasion. If you understand how people think, how decisions are made, and why people buy, you will never be stranded. Markets changes, tools change, but one truth remains. If you can sell, you will always be valuable. Now, skill number 5, problem solving and strategy. AI provides information, human provides judgment. Businesses don't pay for information these days anymore. They pay for solutions. If you can identify problems and use AI as a tool to solve them, you become indispensable. AI is powerful, but it still needs direction, and humans give direction. Now, listen to this carefully. This last skill determines whether the first 4 work for you long term. And skill number 5 is adaptability and continuous learning. Technology evolves or is evolving, skills expire, industry shift, but learners stay relevant. Adaptability is about knowing everything, but being willing to learn again before you are forced to. Degrees can expire, certificates can lose value, but learning mindset compounds. The future doesn't belong to the strongest or the loudest. It belongs to the fastest learners, worth warriors. Let me be direct with you. AI will not rule your future. Your comfort will ruin you. Your fear, refusing to adapt will. If you are watching this now, you are early. Use that advantage. This is Uncle G FinTech with a real conversation about finance, AI, and the future. If you find this information valuable, please subscribe if you are serious about growth. Keep learning and don't outsource your future. You still have time.